How to write a formula in Excel automatically. If you only have one Excel file or sheet, see you in next video. But if you're dealing with multiple files or sheets, this tool can save you a ton of time. But first, let's start with only one file and one sheet. Let's open this Excel file first and make sure the path is correct. Then we write the content. It could be a string, a formula, or whatever. Check the Excel file on the left. We're going to put the formula into cell E2. The first equal sign is a default setting, which basically indicates that what follows is written in Python syntax. Next to it, I'm using single quotes to make it clear that this is a string. Inside the single quotes is the formula we're using to calculate the average result. Make sure the range of the formula is correct. That's it. If you're not familiar with Python syntax, that's totally fine. Just remember this, and you'll be good to go. Last but not least, always remember to save your changes and close your Excel file. Now we run the process. As you can see, the results are put in the right cells. Let's check if the results are truly correct. Okay, it is. You may want to ask, what if I have multiple files or sheets? You can just add some extra logic to the process using a for loop and some variables. If you find it hard to do that on your own, don't forget to subscribe. Further tutorials are coming soon.